Baby yo, you can't judge someone by his or her appearances. Yeah. And if you really wanna know me, just come closer.
In today's video, we are going to be making a tutorial on how to sew a perfect princess bustier. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to draft a princess dart bustier. And I promise you guys, I'll be doing a sewing tutorial on the princess bustier, how to join it and how to pad it. So I'll be using this fabric for illustration, and I'll be using this fusible interfacings to pad the brows. So if you want to know how to join this princess dart, stay tuned to the end of this video. Thank you. Let's get on with the video. This is the front panel and this is the back panel. I'll be cutting two of this side, and then the center front is on fold. As you can see, I'm not going to line it because I'm just using this fabric for illustration. So I'll be cutting one of the center fronts and two of the sides, one here, and also I'll be cutting two pieces for the center back because of the zipper allowance here. Two pieces for the center back and then two pieces for the side. So guys, I'll be cutting it off camera in order not to make this video long. So guys, I finished cutting the pattern on the fabric. This is the front piece and this is the back piece. So the front piece, I cut two pieces for the side, and I went ahead and notched the lines so that it will be easy to join when assembling the fabric. This is the center front. I cut one piece and I notched all the necessary points. This is the side and this is the other side. So this is the front panel. This one will be joined here. This one will come this way. This is the back panel. This is the two sides for the back panel, and I indicate the lines, the points. This is the side and it's two pieces. And then this is the center back. I cut two pieces. I notch the zipper line and I notch the other necessary points. So this is the back panel. This is the zipper line. Now I'll be taking it to my ironing board to iron the interfacing in all the fabric and also pad the breast cap, and then come and show you guys. So I'm done ironing the interfacing, and I padded it with a hard interfacing because I don't have weldy here. It's very difficult to get it where I live, but I'm trying to buy it online to show you how to use that one. So if you don't have weldy, you can use hard interfacing for the padding. So I went ahead and ironed the light interfacing on all the fabric. This is the front. This is how I normally pad my top, and this is it. Sorry, I was not having the white interfacing in the house, so I used the black one. And this is the back. I iron the light interfacing on top of the fabric. The back don't need padding, it's just to join it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to join the princess darts. You see, I marked some notches. So you start sewing from the down all the way to the armhole. You see, this is the back. You sew this side like this here, and then you also sew the next side also like this. You see, this is the back, and this is the zipper allowance that I notched down. And I'll be joining the front bustier also. What I'll be doing is to start joining it from the down, then all the way to the armhole like so, and I'll do same to the next side. So I'm taking it to my machine to join the pieces and come back to show you how it looks. So you see, after joining that's how my bustier came out nicely. Look how nicely it is. Looking at the bottom, because I trimmed the sides with 0.6 inch when cutting the pattern, it makes the bottom come out straight. As you can see, you see how nicely it is. But without trimming the sides, you see that the bottom will bend some way that you not like. So this is my bustier. I'm just using this for illustration purpose. So I didn't line it. This is how the inside look. After you notch it, open the lines and iron. You iron with this stainless hand. I use this stainless hand to iron the bustier so that it can form nicely. And this is how the back princess starts look like. You see? Look how nice the princess that is looking. This is the inside. See how neat it is. This is the zipper allowance. So I'll be fixing zip there, and then I will join the shoulders. So if you find this tutorial helpful and you find it interesting, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help this channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.
If it true say men are too bad, oh. If it true say men are wicked, oh. If it true say men are very bad, oh. Yeah, you know, the feeling is strong.